Hello, and welcome to day 5, Friday, December 4th. This is our last day in Module 11. It is a Friday, so it is async. That means we will not meet together as a class on Zoom. Let's see what we have to do today. First, you'll watch this video. Then, you will click Spark to see the activity for today. You'll read the article Enthusiasm and Attitude. Remember to get 75% on the first try. Many of your Spark scores changed this week, so if you did not check, please check. You guys are killing it. I'm very proud of you. Keep up the good work. The next thing is the deliverable sequencing. You'll watch this video about the coconut octopus, and then you'll read this article, and then you will put the steps of what happens. Be sure to check spelling before you submit. It is Friday, so as you know, from 10 to 11, I will have office hours. So if you need any assistant with the lessons or concepts, you want me to answer questions, I can help you with your POV or getting evidence, and if you want speaking practice. So I will see you guys, and good luck.